Many years ago, I was thinking about buying one of these little Italian coffee pots called a MOKA. I decided not to because I wasn't sure how to use it. As it turns out, it's very easy, and in this video I'm going to show you how. When we unscrew it, the MOKA has three parts. We have this top part, which is where the coffee goes when it's done. It has a filter on the bottom. We have this part, which will hold the coffee, and this part is a little water basin. So water starts in here, we'll put some water in here, and we'll put this on top, we'll put coffee in here, we'll heat up the water, and the water will go up through here, up in here, through this little piece right here, and it'll come out there as coffee. I like to not fill it all the way because you want to make sure there's enough room for the coffee piece to go in and not get soaked. You don't want water coming through here. The water level should be low enough that it doesn't come up. Next we put in the filter piece. We'll put our coffee grounds on there. Some coffee. And then we just screw on the top. Nice and tight, and we're ready to heat it up. While this is heating up, there's not too much going on in here. It's still empty, but we're heating up the water down here so that it boils. When it finally boils, it'll go up through the filter and out the little spout into this little container. See, it's starting to come out. Usually you want to keep this closed, but it's not super important. And then you'll see that's why, because you don't want it to get everywhere. When you hear that sound, that's when you know it's done. This sound, that's when you know it's done. Because now that's the sound of air and bubbles just coming out. All the water is boiled and your coffee is ready. Now be careful because sometimes it's a little hot, but usually this one is okay and you're ready to pour a nice cup of coffee. And add cream or sugar as you wish. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your coffee.